Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in book fair, Dhakakanna book fair 2024, and we are going to participate in fashion show. Here it is the gate. It is not up from here. We are going to enter. Adai,
Yes. Adai.
you are coming for participate fashion show.
Yes.
How you feel?
What?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Actually, we are getting ready for fashion show.
So let's walk through the whole site. So these are the books you can see. Ada kitab kekhonman sama. यहाँ पे ये सब क्या बुक सेट है? हैरी पॉटर का भी बुक है.
Yeah, stories.
देखो.
I don't know about this.
It is grandfather's tales.
Yeah.
Here for kids. No, it is Harry Potter. Do you know the Harry Potter series?
Yeah. Why?
These are Harry Potter series. No. Did you watch
I
the
know this
movie?
very well. That is.
Did you watch the movie?
Yeah.
How it is? These are about Harry
Too
Potter.
good at it.
Too good, na? Lot of books are here. You can see various type of books, and these are for kids also. As you can see,
These are small books.
there are small book for kids.
Shapes and colors.
Yes, nice, na? Look, small books for kids. So we are just looking. Holy book.
Krishna Gita Naam Khuka.
Yes, it is a Hindi holy book, na? Hindu holy books. So guys, as you can see,
Let's go inside it.
yes. Can we walk through those shop?
Sure, why not?
So guys, you can see here. This is the Papu book stall. Let's walk to the main stage. This is the stage. আপোনালোকে নাচিব কি নাচিব ৰাভা নৃত্য কেনেকুৱা আপোনালোকৰ কেনেকুৱা ফিল হৈছে ভাল হৈছে বাইদেউ আপুনি নাচিব কেনেকুৱা মনত কেনেকুৱা ভাৱ হৈছে ভাল লাগিছে আপোনালোক নাচিব ভালকে নাচিব অল দ্য বেষ্ট চবকে বহুত ধুনীয়া লাগিছে so they are ready for dancing Rabha Hongi on the stage. They are getting
तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे मुठिया बेलने जाना है। बाय।